Ito, may sumayaw na sadyang nakakaindap, may kumantang nakakaaliw, at may magdadramang nakakabagbag damdamin. Wow, nagmamakaawa. But I still believe that our skills is also our talent. When I was 7 years old, my father asked me, "Anak, ano gusto mo paglaki?" I answered my father ambitiously. Gusto ko maging doktor para gamutin ang mga mahihirap na may sakit. Then I got 12, and my father asked me again, "Anak, ano ba talaga gusto mo paglaki?" I answered my father more ambitiously. Gusto ko maging sundalo. Bang! 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 To fight for our country. Mission accomplished, sigh. And now, I'm 21 years of age, and my father noticed something about me. He asked me again, "Anak, ano ba talaga gusto mo paglaki?"
Every day, it's so wonderful, and suddenly, it's hard to breathe.
Palakpakan naman po ito ang Rita Bulsen.
Now and then, I get insecure, so all your friends, it's so ashamed. I am beautiful, no matter what they say. Words can bring you down. I am beautiful in every single way. Just words can bring you down.
I want to become a real beauty queen. Despite of discrimination and criticism for the homosexual, we want to prove you one thing. We are not the mess, but we are the asset and also the working hands of our society. And let me ask you one more question. Ladies and gentlemen, sir and madam, have you seen a homosexual begging for food and money on the street? Yes, there is none, because we homosexuals have a simple dream, and that is to love and to be loved, to respect and to be respected, to be prosperous and to be generous, and to achieve a common goal. And kindly put this on your mind. That being a homosexual is not a sin, it is a solution. Thank you.